Assalamu alaikum. I am Jahangir Abbas, lecturer in chemistry. I want to discuss hard and soft acid base concept. As we have already studied the Lewis concept of acid and bases, according to Lewis concept, acid is an electron pair acceptor species. Any species which have tendency to accept electron pair, that is called an acid. And a base is an electron pair donor species. Any species which can donate electron pair, that is called base. In 1963, Pearson introduced the hard soft acid base principle. According to this principle, a hard acid prefer to coordinate with the hard base and soft acid to soft base. What are hard and soft acids, hard and soft bases? Hard Lewis acid, hard acid has acceptor atom of small size, small n radius, high positive charge, strongly solvated, empty orbitals in the valence shell, and with high energy, least unoccupied molecular orbitals. Soft acid has acceptor atom of large n radius, has zero or low positive charge, and has several electrons that can easily be oxidized. What is a hard base? Hard bases are those in which donor atom is of low polarizability, small size, high electronegativity, not easily oxidized, and associated with empty orbitals of high energy or hold tightly to their valence electron. And soft bases are those in which donor atom is of high polarizability, large radius, low electronegativity, easily oxidized, and associated with orbitals of low energy. Borderline Lewis acid and bases have intermediate properties. These have properties in between soft and hard species. In short, we can say that hard acid and hard bases are small and have least polarizability and have less polarizability or non polarizable, whereas soft acid and bases are larger in size and are more polarizable, have greater polarizability. That all of the above discussion shows that hard acid and hard bases are of small size. These have less polarizability. And soft acid and soft bases are of large size and have greater polarizability. Here we discuss polarizability. Capacity of a group of atom in a molecule or an to polarize its electron. For example, electron pair shared between nitrogen and hydrogen in ammonia. Nitrogen is more electronegative, so these shared electron pair are more close to the nitrogen as compared to hydrogen, due to which there is partial negative charge and partial positive charge produced on the hydrogen atom. So we can say that hard species is less easily polarized species, less polarizable, where soft is more polarizable species. electrostatic or anionic interaction, where in soft there is electron sharing or covalent interaction. According to Lewis acid, soft and hard acid base principle, a hard acid prefer binding to the hard base to give anionic complex, whereas soft acids prefer binding to soft bases to give covalent complexes. It is sometimes referred to as hard-soft interaction principle. Large electronegative difference between hard acid and hard bases give rise to strong anionic interaction. Electronegativities of soft acid and soft bases are almost same, and therefore these have less anionic interaction. Interaction between soft acid and soft bases are more covalent. The interaction between hard acid, soft base, or soft acid and hard base are mostly polar covalent and tend to more reactive or less stable. The polar covalent compounds readily form either more anionic or more covalent compound if they are allowed to react. Here we discuss trend of hardness and softness. We see that nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Fluorine has smaller size as compared to oxygen. Oxygen has smaller size as compared to nitrogen, and nitrogen has smaller size as compared to carbon. So, along the period, size decreases. So, this increases the hardness. In the same way, we discuss group nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic. Top to bottom in a group, size increases. So, softness increases from top to bottom. From left to right, size decreases. So, hardness increases. From top to bottom, size increases. So, these are some examples of hard and soft bases and intermediate bases. How can we classify an acid or base as soft or hard? Listing of hard and soft acids and bases are the result of observing the preference of reaction to go to the right or left. A given base B may be classified as hard or soft based on equilibrium. There is competition between acid and CH3Hg positive. If base is soft, it will have greater tendency to combine with a soft acid, that is CH3Hg, and equilibrium will be shifted toward right. If base is soft, it has greater tendency to form bond with CH3Hg, and equilibrium will be shifted toward right. If base is hard, then it has greater tendency to bind with hard acid H positive, and equilibrium is shifted toward left. So, by observing this equilibrium, we can say that whether base is hard or soft. In the same way, we can get observation for an acid that it is hard or soft by reacting with a soft or hard base. These are some examples of hard acid, soft acid, and borderline acids. Now we discuss properties of hard acid hard bases, soft acid and soft bases. Hard acids have low polarizability, high positive charge, small size, and these are not easily oxidized. Hard bases have low polarizability, spread have spread donor orbital, have high electronegativity, and not easily oxidized. While soft acids have high polarizability, low positive charge, large size, and easily oxidized. While soft bases have high polarizability, diffuse, and these have diffuse donor orbitals, low electronegativity, and these can be easily oxidized.